across the country are going to make it extra special for our kids this Halloween. It's a different Halloween than ever before, lots of different changes in our country, so we're joining in. We are getting families excited about our Pumpkin Patch Party Kit. What it includes everything you need for your dinner and for your treat table. So it includes 2 recipes for dinner. That's our Chillin' Cheesy Ziti Bake and our Sweet Potato Cornbread. And then we have an appetizer called Silly Boo Bites. Then for the treat table, the kids are going to be making cupcakes that are called Pumpkin Spice Cupcakes and Trick or Treat Candy Cookies. Everything is in the kit. The recipes, step-by-step how to, even decorating videos, how to decorate. You can actually create a cupcake and cookie decorating table for the kids to do, and it will be just such a fun way for our kids to get dressed up and have fun this holiday. Inside your box, you not only get the recipes and the shopping list, but you get the cupcake liners, the cookie cutter, the food color gel, the decorating tips, and some stickers to decorate your table. And that's it. We hope you join us with the rest of the families across the country, making sure our kids have the best Halloween ever. So go to kidsbakingclub.com and go ahead and click on this kit, and you will get this in the mail within a few days and get started planning and inviting for your special Halloween, the best Halloween ever. And if this is your very first kit with Kids Baking Club, you also get an apron inside, which is an $18.99 value. So go ahead and go to kidsbakingclub.com, and we can't wait to send this to you right now.